Doing every gorilla tag trend. Let's go. Well, I'm not gonna do all because then this video will be 10 hours. So the first one is feel it. So I know exactly how to do this because I've done it before. So you just go in virtual stomp. So you just go in virtual stomp. Once you're here, you go to the map. Exactly. I have to join the code, guys. And you can open it. I do. On my eyes. Owie. I'm real life. Okay, so when you get here, you come here. Wait. I casual? Yep, wait. Give me a sec. I just wanna see if these ropes work. Okay, they work. So you wanna go to the surface. Oh, wait, I want you to shut up. You jump into this one. Or you could just get stuck. Yep, you can just okay. And when you're in here, you'll get chopped black. And then you just did. Now since I'm in, you get sent. Oh my gosh, I got sent so far. Oh, why do I have that one? And then you just jump in here. So. Oh my phone. You put your what? Now it's the turtle of doom.
A few moments later.